Whoa, here you are. You're in your dashboard. This is immediately where you're going to be taken. As you see, you have all of our menu items over here on the left, and then we have time tracking over here on the bottom left. Then you're going to see on your dashboard tasks, to do, pin, calendar. And then up here in the right is going to be where various settings are. So this first one is an announcement bar. If you ever need to give announcements to the entire team, that's where those will show up right here. If you have multiple accounts, this is where you would switch in and out of those companies. Up here is going to be your notification. So anything happens, anybody pings you, any project updates or whatever will show up right there. You can mark all as red if you'd like. And here's going to be your settings. So you hit my profile and you'll be able to see your information, which you can edit real quick by doing this. Personal information, password. Additionally, if we just hit cancel, we will be able to upload any personal files right here, as well as see all the time that we have logged in a specific date range. And then since you're the admin, you'll be able to set the client portal URL, as well as add their logo, your logo, and change any colors. And then you can set this password, which will be how credentials are stored. For example, a client's, social media credentials. This is the password that would unlock those. We will get to that later in another video. Okay, so that's that. First thing that you probably need to do, though, is add a friend, right? Add a coworker. So we go to users. We will add a random person. All that is essential is their email. So we just, do a random email here. Put in their name. And don't need a number. All we need is password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 7. No, only 6. So we'll do that for the password and address. I mean, you can put in all this information, right? The important thing, however, is going to be show permissions. So every team member might be different, right? They might be doing different tasks. So you can go through on all these headings, as you see here, pretty much match up to all of this, right? So you can edit what a client or what a customer or what a team member can do. So a team member you might not want your team member deleting clients, right? You might not want your teammate setting permissions like this, right? You might not want them being able to create events. There's various things. It's basically up to your imagination what you want to do. To keep things simple, we're just going to go full permission, right? Super important to note here, we don't have a client built out in this account yet, but if this will toggle access new clients by default, meaning whenever you add a client, all your teammate or this teammate in particular will become a member of that client. Okay. We don't have to do that, right? We could, once you have clients in here, you would see the clients and you can select which clients they want to work with. For example, if you have kind of different departments or, you're adding a team member, you don't necessarily want them to have access to a particular client, you can adjust that here. And even after the user has been created, will you be able to adjust and select what clients they have access to. But anyways, real simple. We will hit save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is evidently not secure. Regardless, here we are. We have added another team member to our growing team here. So that's going to wrap up this video. This is more of a high-level video, just getting used to the software, right? First thing you want to do is probably add a team member. And then you want to come over here and play around. You might want to add a client, add a lead, add a project, whatever you want to do. If you need any help with any of that, come up here to our help center and contact us there, or watch more videos like this to see how everything is done.